Okay, my goal today with all this wood is we are going to be making a paint table, and I need like a dolly for my dust collection drum barrel thing. Is very heavy, and so I want to make like a little dolly that I can move that around. So today, that's what we're going to do before we get to packing the shop. Oh my gosh. Just standing here looking at everything I have to do, I'm gonna cry. Okay, but today we're ignoring that and we are making a table because it's going to be my paint booth table. It's gonna be set up. We're gonna have fume extractions, walls that are removable so we can clean it, like all the things. But we gotta build it first. Okay, here we go. I really need to invest into two things. One, please, I want a saw stop cabinet saw. And two, if I don't get one of those, I need one of those Craig jig things, because 3/4 inch plywood, I don't know, this is almost like an inch. This shit is heavy. Oh, that was hard. Whew. We have a leg! Last time I did not use glue, and I've had to move it one other time, and I'm gonna move it again like next week. And I'm quite afraid that because I didn't use glue, it's not going to stay. Especially because it was an 11-foot miter stand the last time. I'm like really hoping that it's okay. But I'm making sure that I use glue this time. I think I need a new bottle of glue. Ah! And now a new shirt. Start your day off swirly, it's the twist. Who needs a clamp? Who actually needs a clamp? Number 2! Okay, this is where we have to make things square. You know what I'm not very good at doing? Making things. Okay. I have to clamp clamp it. Okay, it needs to be 65 and 3/8 from here. 65 and 3/8 that way. 65 and 3/8 is perfect.
So, hello internet. Hi.
I don't know, but you know. Pre-drilling the holes makes such a big difference. It's kind of one of those prep things that I hate doing. But it really does make a difference. Let's see. Oh, Bob. Okay, here's the test. If this thing is actually square, I'm not sure I've ever made anything square in my life. So, okay, 65 right on the bill. Oh my, it's like literally right at 65. Okay, now let's put this inside one in. Okay, I need to put my glue on. Whew. Glue, 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 glue. Let me tell you, this piece of plywood is heavy. Heavy, heavy, heavy. Okay. He's going. Oh my gosh. This might be a better way. Head down now. Don't twist it. It's almost there. Come on. Come on. There we go. A mallet.